And welcome back, and we head over to Jamaica University, where Richard "Frog" Holmes and Phil the Assassin Rose are getting ready for battle in the second semi-final of this year's Ray Never Contender series. Patrick Anderson is there and joins us for a live update.
Thank you very much, Jermaine. We're here at the Jamaica University College. It's time for semi-final 2 of the Ray Never Contender series. That comes up later tonight. We go live at 9:30, and the second semi-final, we'll see Richard "Frog" Holmes going up against Phil the Assassin Rose. Now on the undercard, a fan favorite back here, the 2016 welterweight contender champion, DeMarcus "Chop Chop" Corley, and he will go up against Ramel Sub-Zero Lewis. DeMarcus has kindly consented to join us for this quick interview. DeMarcus, welcome back to Jamaica.
It's an honor to be here. I'm very happy. I love Jamaica. I can't wait to come back and fight once again.
And you are here tonight, but you're not in the spotlight, but you pull in the crowds. What can the fans look forward to tonight from DeMarcus?
I'm pretty much going to do what I did the last show, put on a great performance. I don't know much about my opponent, but I'm going to make him miss, make him pay. I'm going to be very smart. And if the knockout is there, I'm going to take it.
You won the championship last year. What has DeMarcus been doing since?
Staying busy, fighting. I just won the welterweight fight in North Carolina. I fought Vivian Harris, another former champion. And he knocked me down in the first round, just like Richard did. But I got up and I took it to him.
If you get knocked down 8 times, you get up 9. DeMarcus Corley continues to always do that. Let's quickly hear from the CEO of iFighter Promotions, Chris Joy, on the second semi-final tonight. Quickly, how do you see this matchup between Richard Holmes and Phil Rose?
It's going to be very interesting. You have a guy that starts off slow. You have a guy that...
In Rose.
In Rose. And then you have a guy that finishes up strong. It's going to be key to who makes the least amount of mistakes. I think what they're going to have to do, both guys are going to have to pick their shots, pick the right shots. Whoever make the most mistakes is guaranteed to lose. I promise you.
DeMarcus, having not seen Phil Rose and heard that, what would you say to either fighter quickly?
I would say to Richard, keep his composure, maintain down the stretch, don't fade in the end, because we know that Rose is a strong fighter. He finished strong.
DeMarcus "Chop Chop" Corley, he goes up against Ramel Sub-Zero Lewis. And remember, 9:30 live for the second semi-final. The Assassin Phil Rose, he'll go up against the Frog Richard Holmes. It's back to you, Jermaine.